Here we have a GMC Terrain. Lights really badly damaged due to the sun here in South Florida. You will see that these lights were heavily damaged. We spent a few hours on these lights here because they were really bad. Damage like that, you see the tops? That's from the sun, the UV from the sun. The truck is in great shape, however, the lights made it look a lot older than it really was, to be honest with you. But after spending a couple hours on it, we took care of it, and this is the end results. I mean, the headlights look like they're brand new, as with most of our work. So if you need any headlight restoration done in South Florida, Broward County, Miami, just give us a call, 754-302-0769, or you could even text us your pictures for a quote, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much for watching this video.